Hello and welcome to this new video on how to change username on OnlyFans. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started with the tutorial. So first you need to open a web browser of your choice. After that, in the top of the web browser there is a search bar. Click on the search bar and type OnlyFans, and when you have typed OnlyFans successfully, just press enter in your keyboard. After that, this search result is shown to you. Just have to click on the OnlyFans. I have logged in previously, so I have successfully logged in into the OnlyFans already, and above the home on the left hand side there is an P icon. My alphabet is P in my name. So if your alphabet is different, then it will be the alphabet of your name in this icon. You just have to click on this, and below the name you just have to click on the name, and after that your profile is opened, and there is an edit profile option in the right hand side. Just click on the edit profile option, and here is the username option on the right hand side. You can just cut it and write the username of your choice, and when you have written the username of your choice and fulfill the number of alphabets that you need to enter in the username, after that you can just click on the save button that is on the top right hand side. Just click on the save, and your username has been changed successfully. So this is how you can easily change username on OnlyFans. So if this video is helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.